Hello everyone, this is Parnika Garg from the Actuarial Academy. So currently we know that IFoA has launched its newest version of the table book, that is Red Tables Book, right? Now many students are confused regarding which table book to buy. Do we need to buy tables book or not? Can we carry the hard copy, physical copy to the exam? So in this video we'll be covering all the doubts, probably most of the doubts related to the tables book. So first let's check how to order the tables book, and then we'll be discussing about which table book we can carry to the center based exam and which table book can we use in the online exams, right? So the first step, as you can see the screen, first you have to just type the is IFoA and you will be getting this page. Then you have to go to this my account. Okay, let's wait it to load. Yes. Now, this is my account. I have already logged in. If you are logging it after some time, then you may be asked for username and password. You just keep it, you just enter it, and you will be getting this page. Okay. Now, in this, you will get an option of this e-shop. Okay. Here you can buy anything regarding IFoA that IFoA provides. Okay. For future references to know. So go to this e-shop. You'll be getting a new page. Then here we have videos, formulas and table and code reading hard copy. Okay, so we are gonna cover formulas and table books today. So let's go to formulas and table book. Now as you can see, we have two versions, right? First one is new formulas and tables for examinations 2025 digital version. Now, let's be very clear that IFoA has specifically mentioned that from 2026 exams, that is April 2026 exam onwards, you cannot use the previous version of the tables book, right? Either the digital version or the hard copy version. Okay? So, the digital version, and here is the print version, that is the hard copy version. Okay? So, now you can see the cost as well, right? Let me just zoom it. The digital version for members is £0 and the printed, that is the hard copy version, is £35. So I'm showing you how to order one. So just click on this print version. Let's click on this print version. Now you will just go to buy now. Okay. Yes. Now see, I have already added this new form digital version in my previous cart. Now I've also added this in my new cart. Now, when you will go to next, they will ask you for the details. Your billing address, please make sure that you put the correct and the exact address. Then your title, name, telephone number, postcode, zip code, address name, and town, country, everything else. Okay. If you have any special delivery requirements, then please write it here. And this is only required for the physical product, obviously. Like from which time to which time you want the delivery and something other like that. Then you go to next. Yes. Now once you confirm it, they will ask you for the payment, right? I am not confirming it because they'll ask for the payment and we are not going. You can do payment via the options that are available. The payment will be very similar to those you do during booking your exams, okay, or paying your membership, whatever it is, okay. Now, let's come to the fact that which table book can you use for the exams, okay? For those having center-based exams, IFoA strictly says that it should be a printed version from the IFoA itself. If you have the digital version and if you are printing yourself at the home from the printer, then it's not gonna be allowed in the center. Okay, so in center, you are only allowed with the hard copy of the original copy. Okay, and the digital version they will be providing you themselves during the exam with a question paper. Okay, I hope this was a useful video for you all, that which table book to carry, which table you do not need to carry, how to book the tables book from the IFoA website. Do make sure to get gist of what new table book look like, and please Thank you, everyone.